So my name's James. I'm the Managing Director and the founder of Cycle the City. We're a bicycle hire and tour business in Bristol's city centre. We started in 2012, so we've been going for some time now, and we've navigated a pandemic and still here, which is good. And that's the shape of it, really. We have a shipping container with about 25 bikes, which is all we can fit in there for now. We are running, I'd say, about between 5 and 10 tours per week, and that's 7 days a week. So I think the main challenges for us before Bókun were making our tour options visible on multiple platforms, and actually we didn't really know that existed as an option. So before Bókun we would sell tickets via our website, and that was it. So if we wanted to sell a tour, we had to do all of the talking, all of the communication, the social media. Since discovering Bókun, we realised that there are people that do that for you, and they're big companies that are quite good at it, like Viator or Get Your Guide, and many others. So actually discovering Bókun has helped us kind of expand our audience like hugely, really, by just sort of regulating the bookings across multiple platforms. So I'd say that's kind of the biggest challenge that's been overcome by Bókun.
Okay, we're going to head up that way there and start the tour just around the corner at the front of the harbour.
When I was looking at different options for booking systems, Bókun really stood out, in part because of the way it looked, really, and how sort of clean the sort of interface was and how simple. It's reassuring to know that you can pick up the essentials quite quickly, but you know that there's quite a lot more capability to sort of tap into as and when you're ready.
So we're not actually that old as a city.
To sort of look at it backwards, our experience with Bókun was that we realised that we'd sort of built these experiences on Viator, and when we were shopping around for different booking system sort of software, Bókun was the obvious one that could sort of handle the import.
Yeah, we're inland, really. We're not actually at the seaside town, even though we're about 4 miles.
So yeah, we started with Bókun in May, and bookings started coming through pretty quickly in a format that we knew exactly what we had to do to deliver the tour experience, as well as customers turning up, not looking confused as they have done in the past, and knowing exactly what to expect and where to find us. So yeah, and since then it's been hassle-free. Since using Bókun, we've seen we've definitely seen an increase in the number of tour bookings that we've had, and I think the main difference really is that it feels less sporadic. The fact that Bókun kind of collates multiple sources and regulates our kind of tour availability and gives us quite a sort of sharp looking interface for people to book from. That just enables tours to sort of slowly book up. Whereas I think previously, when we had a different system on our own website, you are waiting for those kind of, it almost feels like single moments when people book tours.
Whether this artist was given this space to live and see.
Something I've been really impressed by as a feature is the online support. I'm always first in the queue, which is genuinely, oh, I've got a question, oh, I'm first in the queue, that's handy. And quite often you get a follow-up phone call from somebody, which is a nice touch. We've just been impressed at how sort of little we've had to do, really, in a way. You know, it's and as I mentioned before, there is a lot of functionality that we're yet to use. So I think as we kind of grow and we sort of are able to sort of take a step back, really, from running the tours, those are kind of things that we'll tap into and look at what other things can be added into our sort of Bókun system, basically.
That's our second oldest pub in Bristol.
So yeah, I think seeing how Bókun's worked over these few months and seeing how sort of efficient it's been in bringing in bookings, it gives us a lot of hope, really, to add more options and to expand on what we're currently doing.